You will be amazed by this 2019 Cadillac Escalade. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Make family road trips unforgettable in this meticulously crafted Escalade. Imposing yet poised and loaded with high-end features, this deluxe, full-size luxury vehicle inspires you to explore your world in maximum comfort and security. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, front massage seats, head-up display, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, hands-free liftgate, navigation system, keyless entry. Poised yet powerful, that's the Escalade. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.